Did you know that 10 countries, Norway, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Sweden, Germany, France, Canada, Japan, India, and China are planning to phase out gas-powered vehicles? It's natural to feel concerned, especially if you've heavily invested in traditional transportation and electric vehicles might seem financially out of reach. But fear not. Here at InventJ, we specialize in crafting innovative solutions to tackle challenges just like this one. In recent years, the automotive industry has experienced a dramatic transition towards sustainable transportation, driven by the imperative to address climate change and diminish carbon emissions. A pivotal advancement in this realm is the rapidly increasing global push to replace gas-powered vehicles with electric alternatives. As 10 countries take the lead in this movement, it's evident the era of gas cars is nearing its conclusion. However, I envision developing a product specifically tailored for gas-powered vehicles, aimed at effectively reducing or eliminating CO2 emissions. In this discussion, we'll delve into the compelling reasons behind this transition, contrasting the advantages of electric cars against their gas-powered counterparts, and exploring the implications for the future of transportation. Let me explain the effects of gas-powered cars and their significant environmental impact, primarily due to their reliance on fossil fuels such as gasoline and diesel. Here are some key points highlighting their environmental impact and the urgent need for more sustainable transportation options. Greenhouse gas emissions. Gas cars emit greenhouse gases, GHGs, such as carbon dioxide, CO2, which contribute to climate change and global warming. The combustion of fossil fuels in gas-powered vehicles releases CO2 into the atmosphere, where it acts as a heat-trapping greenhouse gas, leading to the warming of the planet. Air pollution. Gas cars also emit pollutants such as nitrogen oxides, NOx, particulate matter, PM, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which contribute to air pollution and have adverse effects on human health. These pollutants can lead to respiratory problems, cardiovascular diseases, and other health issues, especially in densely populated urban areas with high traffic congestion. Resource depletion. The extraction, refining, and transportation of fossil fuels for gasoline and diesel contribute to resource depletion and environmental degradation. Oil drilling and extraction processes can disrupt ecosystems, pollute water sources, and harm wildlife habitats. Additionally, the finite nature of fossil fuels means that continued reliance on gas cars is unsustainable in the long term. Environmental damage. Beyond air and water pollution, gas-powered vehicles also contribute to environmental damage through oil spills, habitat destruction from road construction, and noise pollution. These cumulative impacts degrade ecosystems, disrupt natural habitats, and threaten biodiversity. Given these environmental concerns, there is an urgent need for more sustainable transportation options. Electric vehicles, EVs, offer a promising alternative as they produce zero tailpipe emissions and can be powered by renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower. By transitioning to EVs and investing in cleaner transportation infrastructure, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality, and mitigate the environmental impacts associated with gas-powered cars. Moreover, promoting sustainable transportation options can help drive innovation, create green jobs, and build more resilient and equitable communities for the future. Electric cars offer numerous benefits compared to their gas-powered counterparts, making them an attractive option for environmentally conscious consumers and policymakers alike. Here are some of the key advantages of electric cars. Lower emissions. One of the most significant benefits of electric cars is their lower emissions compared to gas-powered vehicles. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, meaning they do not emit pollutants such as carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, PM, during operation. This helps reduce air pollution and mitigate the harmful effects of climate change, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. Reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Electric cars are powered by electricity, which can be generated from a variety of sources, including renewable energy such as solar, wind, and hydropower. By shifting from gas-powered vehicles to electric ones, we can reduce our dependence on finite fossil fuels like gasoline and diesel, which are associated with environmental degradation, resource depletion and geopolitical conflicts. This transition promotes energy security and sustainability by diversifying our energy sources and reducing our carbon footprint. Cost savings in the long run. While electric cars may have higher upfront costs compared to traditional gas-powered vehicles, they often offer significant cost savings over the vehicle's lifetime. Electric cars have lower operating costs due to the lower cost of electricity compared to gasoline, as well as fewer maintenance requirements. Electric motors have fewer moving parts than internal combustion engines, resulting in reduced wear and tear and lower maintenance costs. Additionally, incentives such as tax credits, rebates, and reduced fuel costs can further offset the initial purchase price of electric cars, making them a more economical choice in the long run. Improved performance and driving experience. Electric cars are known for their smooth and quiet operation, instant torque, and responsive acceleration. Compared to gas-powered vehicles, electric cars often offer superior performance with quicker acceleration and a more enjoyable driving experience. Additionally, electric cars have lower center of gravity due to the placement of heavy battery packs, resulting in better handling and stability on the road. Contribution to sustainable transportation. Choosing an electric car supports the transition to sustainable transportation and helps reduce our overall environmental impact. By driving electric vehicles, consumers can play a role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improving air quality, and promoting renewable energy adoption. Electric cars also contribute to the development of cleaner and more efficient transportation infrastructure, including charging stations and renewable energy grids, further advancing sustainability efforts. In summary, electric cars offer a range of benefits, including lower emissions, reduced reliance on fossil fuels, cost savings in the long run, improved performance, and contribution to sustainable transportation. As technology continues to, thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe.